Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Pet Treater. Now, if you're not familiar, Pet Treater is a monthly pet subscription. Now, it's either for a dog or a cat. You can set a profile based on the size of your animal, and they have three different options. The first one is $15. And that one you get 2 toys and 2 treats inside. There's also one for $18, which is this one. Now that one you can choose either treats only or toys only. Now I chose toys only for my 2 big dogs that I have. And you get 3 items inside, plus you get a couple of extra little things. Now the next one is $25 box, and that one is for multiple pets in your home. So let's go ahead and see what she sent for April. Okay, we are going to just cut right into this. When you open it, this is basically what it's going to look like inside. Oh, whoa, okay, we're going to put that there. I'm looking for the card. Now, Pet Treater has a program called Pick of the Litter. You take a picture of your pet with the toys and the little bandana they send, and if they like the picture, then you will be chosen as Pick of the Litter. And this month, it's Pork Chop. And that is with last month's bandana. Look at that face. Cute. Oh, look at that one. Don't we just love our guys? We do, don't we? Okay, now, into the toys. The first item I am pulling out of the bag is a bee with honey. Now, I don't think this is for large dogs. They're going to destroy this in 5 seconds flat. But my little dogs would really like it. And this is by Forest Tales. Keep your dog entertained. It does have a squeaky inside. I think it is very cute. The next thing, oh, wow, okay, is this rabbit with a carrot. It's got crinkly ears. It has a little pink tail. This is by Cuddly Paws. Let me see if there's a squeaker inside. There is a squeaker inside. That's very cute for April. And the last thing, well, it's not really the last thing. This is, it looks like either a horse or a donkey. Probably looks more like a donkey, doesn't it? It says it's a rope and squeaker. Yeah, and it has all these rope pieces on it. This one is a bit tougher, so it'll last longer with my guys. Now, this is by All for Poi. All for Paws. This is a rope tangle. Oh, it's a unicorn. Okay. Ah, I see. I thought maybe this was the ear, but is the unicorn? It's the horn? Is that what you call the horn, right? And then that's the ear. Now, getting all 3 of these at a store is going to cost you more than $18. I can guarantee you that. So this works out really well for me. I don't have to go shopping for them on a regular basis. They just show up at my door. And then the bandana. They always send a bandana. Now this one is for large animals. If you have a small one, they send a smaller version of this. So that is what I got for Pet Treater for April. I'm so glad that you came by today, and I appreciate you coming by. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.